Welcome back to Day 4. For the last 3 days, we've been carefully building the engine of our digital workspace. Well, today, we're going to fire it up. We're going to take that massive, powerful database we built and turn it into a smart, focused system that gives you exactly what you need right when you need it.
So think about where we are after Day 3. You've got this amazing, centralized master database. It's the one true home for all your projects. But let's be real. When you open it up and you see every single project, every status, every person, it's a lot. It's totally overwhelming. It's incredibly powerful, sure, but it's not practical for your day-to-day.
And that's the big paradox we're solving today. You know, having all your data in one place is a superpower, but staring at it raw and unfiltered, that's like looking at a giant pile of engine parts. All the potential's there, but it's not an engine yet. Our job today is to assemble those parts into a sleek system that gives you clarity, not chaos.
Okay, so let's get into it. The solution isn't to make more databases or scatter your info all over again. No, the solution is a total shift in how we think. We need to stop looking at the entire data pile. Instead, we need to start creating specific, focused views with the blueprint brilliantly calls camera angles to see only what matters in that moment.
The piece of tech that makes this all possible is called the linked view. Now, this isn't a copy of your data. Think of it more like a live, interactive window that you can put on any page. This window looks right at your master database, but you have complete control over what it shows you and how it's all organized.
And this quote from the blueprint just nails the strategy. Imagine your master database is the entire stage. It's the permanent backdrop, it never moves. But you get to be the director. You can set up dozens of cameras, your linked views, all over your workspace. One camera might be a tight close-up on just your active tasks. Another, a wide shot showing the project timeline. And a third could be focused only on what the marketing team is up to.
And this distinction is absolutely key. The data source, that's your master database. It's the single source of truth. If you change a project's due date there, that change is real. It's permanent. But a linked view, that's just a filtered window. If you apply a filter to your view to only show your tasks, you haven't deleted anyone else's work. You've just adjusted your camera angle. This is huge because it means your core data stays safe and sound while you create all these amazing custom dashboards.
All right, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty. We're going to walk through the exact recipe from the blueprint to turn that huge, raw data table into a personalized, actionable task board. This is where it all clicks into place.
And it's a beautifully simple 4-step process. First, we create the link to our database. Second, we change how it looks visually. Third, and this is the magic part, we apply a powerful filter to get rid of all the noise. And fourth, we sort what's left so our priorities are staring us right in the face.
So we start on our main dashboard, our command center. All you do is type the /key, then linked, and you pick your master projects database. And just like that, a live, synchronized view of that entire table appears right on your page. It's not a dead copy. It's a living, breathing portal straight to the source.
Now, a giant table isn't very helpful for getting stuff done, right? So for step 2, we just hop into the layout menu and switch it from a table to a board. Then we tell it to group all the projects by our status property, and instantly that long list transforms into this dynamic Kanban board with columns for planning, active, and completed. Much better.
But here's where the real magic happens. Right now, we're still seeing every active project in the whole company. That's way too much noise. So, in step 3, we add an advanced filter with 2 simple rules. Rule 1, show me projects only where the status is active. Rule 2, and this is the important part, and show me only projects where the directly responsible individual is me. The second you do that, poof, all the other cards just disappear.
Okay, one last thing to make this truly effortless. We apply a sort. We tell this view to always arrange the cards by due date from the soonest to the latest. So now, not only do I see just my active tasks, but the one that's due tomorrow is always sitting right at the top. No thinking, no searching, it's just there.
So if you step back and look at what we've just done, the result of these 4 simple clicks is a complete transformation. This is that aha moment, where you stop feeling like you're managing a database and you start feeling like you're using a system that was built just for you.
Because this is where we started, remember? This powerful, but honestly unusable wall of text. It has all the answers, but you have to scroll and search and squint just to figure out what's relevant to you right now. It's a source of friction.
And this is where we ended up, a clean, calm, focused dashboard.
It answers one simple question perfectly. What should I be working on right now? It's the exact same data. We've just looked at it through a super intelligent, personalized lens. This is the goal.
So, what's the single biggest idea to pull from all this? What's the core principle that makes this entire system just work?
Here it is. This is the big one. We didn't change a single piece of the original data. We didn't delete anyone's projects or mess with any categories. All we did was change our perspective. And by changing our view, we completely transformed the function and the entire feel of the system. And this is why it matters so much. This is how you make that giant master database we built on day 3 useful for everyday work. It gets rid of what the blueprint calls click fatigue, that constant, exhausting hunt for information. You can build one view for the finance team, a different one for marketing, and a personal one just for you, all running off that same central engine. The system starts working for you. The right information finds you.
And so the question I want to leave you with is this. Now that you know how to set up the cameras, what are the most important views you need to build in your own workspace? What focused camera angle is going to give you the most clarity? And finally, turn your data pile into a truly functional system?